How to make money fast as a teenager.
Alrighty, guys. I'm here at a client's property cleaning the trash cans. I went ahead and did my own took my own advice here. I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'll do your trash bins just to get out of the house. Can't even when you're feeling sick, you just gotta keep it going. Can't fall victim to the sickness and try to stay home and rest all day. Sometimes you got to, but me, I just love to work, so that's what it is. So I went and said, oh, okay, it'd be $30 each bin. You know what? They went ahead and went for it. I wasn't surprised to be honest with you, but um, I wasn't surprised about them accepting my quote for $30 each bin because of the fact that you know, I'm credible. Honestly, a lot of people don't do this, and I know that they don't want to do this, so that's something you guys want to keep in mind when you guys are giving bids. Um, People don't want to do the work that they're willing to pay for. That's why they're rather pay you to do it. So don't sell yourself short. Very important, you guys. Very, very important. I was only here for 30 minutes cleaning these bins for 30 minutes and easy. Great clientele. Honestly, I'll most likely get them for the windows too. And, sometimes you got to let the people see that you do a great job with with one thing and then they'll hire you for another thing. Just don't try to branch out too far.
Alrighty, guys. So I just finished cleaning these bins, and look what I got. Look what I cleaned them with. That stiff scrub brush, and then the soft scrub brush with the two poles to scrub them. I rinse them. I put the Clorox bleach in the bottle. I spread the whole can really good, and then I scrub them, and then I rinse them, and that's the finished product. Guys, don't go too crazy with trying to be perfect with cleaning a trash bin. Just say that out loud. You know what I mean? I clean trash bins. Don't try to be perfect with it. You know what I mean? Look at that. I'm hooked up to their power outlet, and then I'm using their garden hose because unfortunately I forgot mine, and the guy was like, no, just go ahead and use mine, whatever you need. See, people don't care. They don't care, you guys. So don't be embarrassed. Just get it done. You know what I mean? I got paid $60. I bidded $30 each bin. The guy gave me $80. Put it in my truck already. Don't want to carry it. You got try to be light when you're working, because if you're carrying more stuff, it's just gonna exhaust you faster. So that includes like your wallet and any other stuff. Like me, I have a bunch of camera gear that that I like to carry because I like to shoot these videos to help somebody. And I gotta remind myself, like, put that stuff in the truck for you don't have to have that stuff lugging that stuff around. So I'm just gonna wrap this up here, but I want to show you guys, like, 30 minutes of work, easy job, $60. Look at that, you guys. I got myself a raise here. I used to charge $20. I was feeling sick today, so I went ahead and said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and charge $30 a bit and see what, if they go for it, good. If they don't, I understand. Of course they went for it because they're just like, babe, I'm not cleaning those trash cans. Get somebody out here to clean those trash cans. And that's honestly what you guys want to think about it like that. And that's what, like, any service that you guys be over here offering. Like, give yourself a raise. Don't go too crazy with it. But give yourself a raise. Believe in yourself. And if they don't go for it, they don't go for it. But, like, see where the sweet spot's at. You know what I mean? That's honestly the truth right there. People don't have time to do this, or they don't want to do this. Like, Like, look at me. I got my goggles on for eye protection. They're all splattered. They're all dirty. Like, I got wet right here. It don't matter to me, you know. But, you know, they don't. You think they want to come out here and do this? No, they don't. They don't. You know, they want to put those Tom Ford slippers on, and I'm happy that there's people that are willing to pay me good money to do the stuff that they don't want to do. You know, at times I feel like, you know, branching off and doing other things that they don't want to do, you know, because I know they got money for it. So that was just a joke. But that's just like, that's cool. It's cool to start your own business and get out here and make it happen. You know what I mean? Just come out here and make it happen. Start your own business. I don't have like a truck mounted system. I'm doing this like literally all manually, but it's fine, because I want to show you guys that you guys could do it too. And that's it. All right, guys. So once you're done with the trash bins, you put them back. Make sure you clean up your area and make it look like you were never there. That's good, because I roll up the hose, the garden hose, like my client had it, and just be clean, you know, unlike my truck here, but it's a work truck. So so just be clean, and they'll call you back. Get their email address, and then, you know, make sure you have their phone numbers, and then you know, every other month or every 3 months or every month, you know, call them back and say, hey, hi, would you like to get your trash bins clean? You know, that's how you get it. Repeat business or client retention. Client retention is very, very important, you guys. It's how you build a business. You don't want to just get somebody's money once, get it every time they need the service done. Very, very important. All right, cool. Starting to feel better. To be honest with you, I don't know if it's because I'm done. I'm done, and I don't gotta be out here no more, or, you know, that little bug that was inside me disappeared or something, so that I can't bring this guy down. You know, that's you know, it's just not people who want to bring you down, you guys. Like, you guys gotta understand that, you know, I don't want to get all like religious here with you guys, because it's not what this channel's about. But, you know, people benefit when you don't feel good. You know, people benefit when people want to see you do bad. You know, it's like disgusting to see people get some pleasure out of you not making money, or, you know, you being stressed out or depressed or having anxiety. You know, people get some sick, twisted pleasure out of that. So, you know, don't let them win. You know what I mean? Come out here and get it done and knock it out. That's it. Make it happen. It's actually what my dad used to say. I think that's why I always say it. Come out here and make it happen. Like, quit complaining. Come out here and make it happen. Get it done. Alright, guys, so this is the community I'm in. I'll show you, take you around the neighborhood real quick. These houses about like 700,000, 800,000, 900,000. Nice quiet neighborhood over here, and I think I'm in Palm Desert right now. You know what I mean? So you like, down for the product.